Hi, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. I'm just going to run through the specification of this 2017 Range Rover Sport HSE we have new in stock, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example here is finished in the Santorini black metallic paintwork. The vehicle comes with the black styling package, which gets you the privacy glass for the rear windows, the gloss black front grille, the gloss black trim around the side and the rear of the vehicle, and also the gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle comes with matrix LED headlights, including daytime running lights, LED tail lights, chrome exhaust pipe finishes, and a full leather interior upholstery as a standard feature. You get fully electric front seats, heated seats accessible from the centre console, a leather trim steering wheel with access to cruise control. Throughout the centre console, all of your standard controls expected on a prestige vehicle, including storage compartments, charge ports, your multi-zone climate control functions, and your touchscreen central display, where you can access features such as your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, and also the reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. Lastly, you can see you have a powered tailgate at the rear with plenty of storage space, including the 60-40 split folding rear seats for all of your storage needs. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.